Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Silvia Bellrock and today we are going to be talking about 3 tips how to maximize your wins and minimize your losses. I've been trading for 9 years and I'm happy to be here with you today and share with you my expertise and my experience. Tip number 1 when it comes to maximizing your wins and minimizing your losses is to focus on good risk versus reward areas. For that, I personally use support and resistance zones. Support and resistance zones help me to identify good reversal points on the chart and give me good risk versus reward setups. Unfortunately, when traders start out with trading, they start to chase stocks or any other assets, buying breakouts, trying to catch the next big move and ignore the fact that when it comes to trading, it's all about risk versus reward, identifying the best possible entries and of course the best possible exits. And sometimes people also overcomplicate it. So for me, when it comes to maximizing my wins is to focus on a very good areas on the chart which give me as little risk as possible and high reward. Tip number 2 when it comes to maximizing your wins is to plan your trade ahead. I would personally never enter a trade if I don't have a plan before that. So you need to know what is your potential reward, what is your potential exit, what is your stop loss, how long are you going to hold the trade, are you going to hold it for a day trade, for a couple of days, intra-week, or maybe even longer for a month or long-term trading. So all those things you need to figure out before you enter the trade and not while you're in the trade. And unfortunately, what happens a lot of times is if you do not have a good plan, you're going to get confused. You might not feel comfortable while you're holding the trade because you don't really know what you're doing and you don't really know how long are you planning to hold this trade and where are your potential exit points. So this goes hand in hand with tip number 3 when it comes to maximizing your wins, which is having a very good risk management in place, but also trade management. So what does that mean? Once you enter the trade, guys, if you're trading on the daily chart, it's very, very important to stay on the daily chart and manage your trade on the daily chart. And unfortunately, a lot of the times traders tend to micromanage the trade. So they enter on the daily chart and then all of a sudden they go on the lower time frame, start to move stop losses on the 5-minute chart, 1-hour chart, freaking out about exits. So this is unfortunately not the way how it should look like. What you need to do is really focus on your exits and trailing your stop, moving your stop along. On this way, you're protecting your unrealized profits and also you're allowing yourself to catch a very big, nice move if things really do break out to the upside or downside. If you're a short seller, you will be able to catch this move. So a very clear strategy will help you with that, and you don't have to worry about what should I do now, should I move the stop, should I exit the position, what can happen. So think of always of scenarios, moving the stop losses, identifying good risk versus reward, and this is something what will help you with your trading and also most importantly maximize your wins. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to learn more about my personal strategy and how I do trade, feel free to join me at XM. And we do have advanced and beginners room. Beginners room is just one instructor sharing their expertise and their strategy. And in the advanced room, we're talking with other instructors, sharing ideas, debating about certain trades. So feel free to join us there. It's very entertaining and of course educational. Thank you so much and bye for now.